In this module, you will learn about version control and one of its most popular implementations, Git. Version control is used in software development to manage the application code, but it's becoming more and more important in the DevOps space in order to manage the application configuration as part of the infrastructure as code concept. So as a DevOps engineer, you should learn and know how to use Git. So first, we will look at the concepts of version control systems in general, and then specifically how Git works. We will create a simple Git repository on GitLab and work with it locally using the Git command line interface. You will also learn all the relevant Git commands that you need when working with Git repository. I will also explain some useful concepts like reverting mistakes, resolving merge conflicts, and so on. In addition, we will look at the concepts of branches and learn how to work with them using hands-on practical demos. And throughout the whole module, while learning all the different concepts, I will also explain the best practices when working with Git. We will actually be using Git throughout the whole bootcamp in different modules for different use cases. So by the end of the bootcamp, you will feel really comfortable using Git in your own projects.